Imagine stepping outside, not into a garden that needs watering and care constantly, but into one that basically takes care of itself. A place where apples and berries, herbs, flowers, even mushrooms grow together, and they give you a constant supply of food right in your own backyard, kind of like a grocery store. That's not fantasy. That's a food forest. And once you plant it, it becomes more productive every single year.
Hey everyone, Carol from Almost 2 Acres. Today we're talking about one of the coolest pieces of permaculture, the food forest. What it is, how it works, and why even a small backyard can grow one. Let's go to the forest. What is a food forest? It's basically a garden designed to copy how a natural forest works, but instead of wild plants, everything is edible or useful. Think of it like this. Nature already knows how to build healthy soil, attract pollinators, conserve water, and keep pests in check. A food forest just borrows nature's blueprint and swaps the pine trees for peaches. It's layered, self-sustaining, and incredibly abundant once established. A true food forest uses layers. Here are the classic permaculture layers. Number 1, the tall tree layer, your big producers, apples, pears, chestnuts. Number 2, the small tree layer. Think dwarfed trees, plums, figs. Third is the shrub layer, blueberries, raspberries, currants. Fourth is the herbaceous layer, herbs and perennial veggies, comfrey, mint, yarrow, chives, although I definitely take it easy on the comfrey. Layer 5 is the ground cover layer, strawberries, creeping thyme, clover. Number 6 is the vine layer, grapes, hardy kiwi, climbing beans. Number 7 is the root layer, garlic, onions, sunchokes. Each layer fills a role, just like in a real forest. No wasted space, no bare soil, maximum food with minimum work. Remember to touch that like button so you and others can see more videos on permaculture basics and sustainable gardening. Here's the long-term garden magic. The more your food forest matures, the less you have to do. The trees shade the soil. The ground covers lock in moisture. The flowers bring pollinators and beneficial insects. The diversity keeps pests from taking over. And the soil gets richer every year without synthetic fertilizer. It's like creating your own little ecosystem that feeds you and heals the land.
So can you grow one in a small space? Yes, absolutely. You don't need 2 acres like me. You can grow a mini food forest in a 10 by 10 space by choosing dwarf fruiting trees and compact flowering shrubs. Just remember, only one fruit tree with berries, herbs, and ground covers around the base is a mini food forest. Until next time, let's get dreaming and planning our own food forests for our own backyards. Let's get growing.